explain you my project dance class. For this purpose I have taken Raspberry Pi 3B Plus module. The next part is power supply to the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. Now I have taken a data cable from the laptop to the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus in order to supply power to the Raspberry Pi. The next part I am going to show you is the output port of Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. The sound emitted by the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus heard by the user through this earphone. This is the Pi camera I have taken for this project. The image in front of the Raspberry Pi camera is going to be captured and sent to the Python code. In the Python code, the image is stored as a variable. Now I am showing you the code which I have written for this project trans class. It is written in Python. This is the terminal from which we are going to run the Python file which I have showed now. The Python code is compiled and executed through the command called python. Here the file name is final. As soon as the code is executed, the image in front of the Raspberry Pi camera is captured. For this instance, I have placed an image in my laptop saying Das Haus ist blau. This is in German. In the meanwhile, we have to focus the camera according to the object which is present in front of the Raspberry Pi camera. After we get a clear shot on the image, we have to press a button. For this I have taken the keyboard keyword yes. After pressing of this yes word in the keyboard, the image which is shot by the Raspberry Pi camera is sent to the Python code as a variable, and the process is going to take. Now we are able to see the output in the display screen of the Raspberry Pi. The German translation to English of Das Haus ist blau is the house is blue. Now we are able to see the translation of each word. It is separated and boxed for our easy understanding. Later we are able to see the house is blue in the terminal. The reason for this is I have made the output of the speaker to print on the terminal, and this is why it is printing on the terminal. As this is heard in the earphone, I am not able to show you the output which is heard from the Raspberry Pi. The previously told features are combined together and formed like this. It may look robust. This is because I have used the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus module. The Raspberry Pi is placed inside the box. The light from the Raspberry Pi is reflected to the mirror which is placed inclined at 45 degree. Then it is reflected to the transparent glass placed at a position which is visible to our eyes. The size of the module can be reduced by implementing nanotechnologies in the future. If we do the project dedicatedly for this purpose alone, then the size can be reduced.